Let's get started. Tonight we got 2019 Panini Contenders draft picks. We got 2020 Donruss and 2020 Legacy. We'll just start with the 2019. All right, we got Drew Brees, Adrian Peterson, Kerryon Johnson, got a Paris Campbell for the Colts, got Juju and Barry Sanders. Brandon Cooks, Mitchell Trubisky, and we got Eddie George and Ezekiel. What we'll do is roll the dice on this. 1, 2, 3, go to Eddie George. 4, 5, 6, and go to Zeke. There you go, 3. 1 to Eddie George. Left side. All right, Melvin Gordon, Darius Leonard, and Jordan Wilkins. We got Derrick Henry, Russell Wilson, Jerry Rice. Got Will Greer for the Panthers. Antonio Brown, Marquez Valdez-Scantling. We got Leonard Fournette, Cam Newton, got Darius Leonard on a draft ticket, got Dak Prescott, Phillip Lindsay, and Zeke. Nyheim Hines, Tyreek Hill, Keenan Allen, and we got Darnell Savage auto. And we got Tom Brady and Josh Rosen, and I believe Darnell Savage. Let me look him up. I think he goes to the Packers. Yeah, he's to the Packers. Which that's going to Billy. It's Tom Brady. To the Packers, Darnell Savage. Bradley Chubb, Michael Thomas, and we got DeMarcus Christmas auto. Have to look him up too. Baker Mayfield, Matt Ryan, and Stephon Diggs. See, he's going to the Steelers. Just going to Sean. Alright, Derek Carr, Royce Freeman, Jared Goff, and we got Earl Campbell and Ricky Williams. 1, 2, 3, left side. 4, 5, 6, right side. 1 to Ricky Williams and Dolphins. We got Jordan Howard, Anthony Miller. 2020 Donruss. All right, Jameson Crowder, Tyler Higbee, Marcus Allen, Evan Ingram, got Matt Judon, got Edgerrin James for the Colts, Legend Series insert, Quintez Cephas for the Lions, and Jack Lambert. Trent Williams, Adrian Peterson, A.J. Brown, got Jared Allen, Jimmy G, Harrison Smith, and we got a rated rookie for the Broncos, Jerry Jeudy. It's going to NP. And Aaron Rodgers. Luke Kalicki, got Patrick Peterson, Allen Robinson, Taysom Hill, got Raheem Mostert, and for the Jets, a sweater patch, Denzel Mims, one to Matt, and we got Jeff Gladney for the Vikings, and Jerome Baker. DeAndre Hopkins, Trey Flowers, got Larry Fitzgerald, Mike Evans, Jacob Hollister. We got Chris Carson, got Marlon Davidson for the Falcons, and Brett Favre. Got Brandon Cooks, Grady Jarrett, J.J. Watt, got Dak, Odell Beckham, and we got an Antoine Winfield, Donruss Optic, parallel for the Bucks. It's going to Luke. Antonio Gandy Golden for Washington, rated rookie. Going to Walter. Tom Brady, going to the Bucks, and Kid Reporter. Tom Brady. And Antonio Gandy Golden. All right, back to it. Teddy Bridgewater, Quentin Nelson, Cole Beasley, got Melvin Gordon, Michael Gallup, And we got a all-time Gridiron Kings, Brett Favre. Yetur Gross-Matos for the Panthers, and Jason Peters. Hunter Renfrow, Jason Witten. We got Leonard Fournette. We got Jarrett Stidham, Joey Bosa, Steve Atwater, Kyle Duggar for the Patriots, Tyrann Mathieu, Kid Reporter. Joe Namath, Jack Youngblood, Jared Goff, Blake Martinez, Mark Ingram, Mohamed Sanu, and Jacob Eason for the Colts. One to Pete. And Juju. Got Sean Taylor, Ryan Kerrigan, Kevin Byard, Kyle Rudolph, Darius Slayton, Calais Campbell, Patrick Queen for the Baltimore, C.J. Uzman, and Kid Reporter. Alright, we got Kenyon Drake, Matthew Stafford, got Roquan Smith, Kyle Juszczyk, Emmanuel Sanders, George Kittle, and Ashton Davis for the Jets, and Devin Bush. Nice pack of Don, Russ. Carlos Hyde, Matt Ryan, Jelani Tavai, DK Metcalf, Marshawn Lattimore, got a Patrick Mahomes, road to the Super Bowl. Gabriel Davis for the Bills, rated rookie. AJ Green, and Kid Reporter. Alright, 2020 Legacy. Alright, we got Chris Carson, Von Miller, Tre'Davious White, Aaron Rodgers, got Lamar Jackson, Lasting Legacies, Andre Johnson, and we got Jonathan Taylor and Tyler Johnson. Jonathan Taylor's for the Colts, and Tyler Johnson's with Tampa Bay. That's Jonathan Taylor. And Lamar Jackson for Baltimore. We got Tyler Lockett, Keenan Allen, Jamal Adams, Devontae Adams. And out of 299, we got James Conner for the Steelers, red, parallel. Devin Hester. We got Keyshawn Vaughn, Keyshawn's with Tampa Bay. AJ Epineza. Let's see where AJ is now. You look at him up, AJ Epineza. I don't know where he's at now. See, that's the Bills, AJ Epineza. James Conner out $2.99. Joe Mixon. We got Michael Thomas, AJ Boye, and for the Jets, we got Denzel Mims silver. Denzel Mims. On to Matt. Then we got Drew Brees, Kurt Warner, T. Higgins for Cincinnati, and Van Jefferson for Minnesota. Hey, I appreciate that, Dakota. I just seen where you put that. T. Higgins. Jefferson. And Denzel Mims. Miles Sanders, Marquise Brown. We got Mitchell Trubisky, Derrick Henry. And we got Drew Bledsoe out of $2.99. Walter Jones. And we got Xavier McKinney. And Jake Fromm. Jake Fromm with Buffalo. And now $2.99, Drew Bledsoe going to the Patriots. Got Austin Hooper, Josh Jacobs, Tom Brady. We got Christian Wilkins, Spacer dummy card, Emmitt Smith, John Randall, and we got Desmond Patman and Jalen Reagor. Desmond Patman, I know he's with the Colts, and Jalen Reagor, let's see where he's at now. Philadelphia. Kirk Cousins, J.J. Watt, got Matt Ryan, got a mini, Mike Evans, not numbered, Kurt Warner, Boomer Esiason, Antonio Gandy Golden, and Hunter Bryant. Antonio Gandy Golden, I know he's with Washington. All right, Deshaun Watson, Chris Godwin, Patrick Mahomes, George Kittle, dummy card. Got Peyton Manning, Joe Namath, Elijah Lipscomb, and Laviska Shenault. Laviska Shenault, Jacksonville. And Elijah Lipscomb's with Kansas City. And Patrick Mahomes. Zeke, Preston Williams, got Gardner Minshew, DK Metcalf, Stephon Diggs, got LT, Lawrence Taylor, got Bryson Hopkins, and Jerry Jeudy with the Broncos. Travis Kelce, got Aaron Donald, Carson Wentz, and Cam Akers, silver for the Rams. And that's going to Jacob. Christian McCaffrey, Peyton Manning, Cole Kmet, and Anthony Gordon. Anthony Gordon for the Seahawks and Cole Kmet for the Bears. We got Phillip Rivers, Sam Darnold, Aaron Jones, John Elway under the lights, Michael Vick. We got Drew Bledsoe, Denzel Mims for the Jets, and Brian Edwards for the Raiders. Yeah, I think we got a rookie patch auto in this one. We got Mark Ingram, Harrison Smith, Ryan Tannehill, and out of 25 for the Lions, that's a nice one, Herman Moore. Five out of 25. One to NP. Then out of 199 for the Steelers, we got Juju, Derek Brooks, got DeAndre Swift for the Lions, and LaMichael Perrine for the Jets. Well, I thought it was a rookie patch auto, but it is a veteran, so that's a pretty nice one. Herman Moore for the Lions. 5 of 25. Tyler Boyd, Jameis Winston, Leonard Fournette, Raheem Mostert, and there's a Michael Pittman, and that's going to be out of 100. Going to the Colts. See who has the Colts. Pete, Dan Marino, Donovan Peoples-Jones, and Harrison Bryant. Pittman had a pretty good day today. I think we got another patch in here, guys. Usually don't have to. Alright, Dak Prescott, TJ Hawkinson, Quentin Nelson, and KJ Hill. One to the Chargers. One to Steven. That's numbered out 56 out of 299. We got JJ Watt, John Riggins, got Derek Brown, and Chase Claypool for the Steelers. And, Derek Brown for Carolina. Rookie patch auto, dual patch, KJ Hill. Derwin James, Jamison Crowder, Zadarius Smith, DeAndre Hopkins, Champ Bailey, Calvin Johnson, CD Lamb for the Cowboys, and Kennedy McCoy. CD Lamb had a pretty good day today too. Cowboys. Got Mike Evans, Tyreek Hill, Jared Goff, and for the Cowboys, that's going to be out of 100. That's Emmitt Smith, Gold Legends. Then 51 out of 100 for JJ Watt, Texans. Damian Thomason, there's a Jalen Hurts, Philadelphia, and Jordan Love for the Packers. Emmitt Smith out of 100. One to Andrew. Sorry, Jeff. I was trying, man. 51 out of 100. JJ Watt. All right, last pack. Got Leighton Vander Esch, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, and a T. Higgins. Silver for Cincinnati. One to Steven. Got Larry Fitzgerald, Bruce Smith, Colin Johnson, and C.J. Henderson. Sleeve these up, guys, and we'll do a quick recap. We'll be back Tuesday night, guys. We got basketball and football both Tuesday night, so if you guys are interested. All right. Got T. Higgins, J.J. Watt, Denzel Mims, got Jordan Love, Jalen Hurts, C.D. Lamb, Cam Akers, Chase Claypool, Jerry Jeudy, and auto Darnell Savage. We got Juju, and that's out of 199. DeAndre Swift, Denzel Mims. We got Will Greer, Cole Kmet, Jerry Jeudy, Patrick Mahomes, Drew Bledsoe out of 299, Jake Fromm, Antoine Winfield, parallel, Darmus Optic, Van Jefferson, T. Higgins, out of 299, James Conner, and we got Lamar Jackson, Antonio Gandy Golden, Patrick Mahomes, Gabriel Davis, Jacob Eason, Brett Favre, Tom Brady, Denzel Mims, Edgar James, auto DeMarcus Christmas. We got Tom Brady, Darius Leonard draft ticket, Paris Campbell, and Emmitt Smith, and that's out of 100. Jonathan Taylor, and we got Herman Moore auto patch out of 25, 5 out of 25. Michael Pittman out of 100. And a rookie patch, dual patch auto, KJ Hill. And that's going to be out of 299. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all playing. Hope y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Thank you.